Hi guys, welcome to this video where we are drafting the sleeve for this top that we've been making in part 1 for the front, part 2 for the back. So we are ready to draft a one piece sleeve for it. We'll just get the rectangle tool, input the measurements. Width is gonna be about 17 centimeters and 28 centimeters for the height, let's say that is. Then we're gonna go here and pick up our X tool at point split line, and we're just gonna go here, right click and put one 5 centimeters away from the right seam, and here split it in two. Okay, then I'm gonna go and get the Z tool, click on this point, get rid of it. And now I'm gonna actually bring this point with the Z tool down here, more or less. We can go inside a little like that. Okay, then pick up the edit curve point V, and now we're gonna start curving these lines a little. So here, and I just grab it on the top from here, and that's it. Yeah, more or less. Maybe with the Z tool I can go further out a tiny bit here. Okay, then still with the Z tool, click on this line and select unfold. So we have the sleeve, quick and easy. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to match the armhole measurement with the crown of the sleeve. So I'm selecting the whole lines of the armhole, which is measure 47.11, and type it on my calculator. Then we see the crown, holding shift with the Z is gonna be, so we have to divide the armhole length, the total of the armhole length, divided by the length of the crown. So it's 47.11 divided by 46.26, which equals to 101.83. Okay, so what we're gonna do, A tool, select the whole sleeve here in the corner, holding shift, I'm just gonna drag it and right click, and I put here 101.83, which is the result of my calculation. Just move the decimal point 2 figures down, and you should get it. Click OK. So the sleeve went a bit wider. We're gonna just double check it. So select all the things. So this is 47.11, as we said before, and this should be actually now the same, 47.11, perfect. So this is a method that in CLO works pretty good to draft the sleeves for a t-shirt with the same measurement. Okay, so now I just forgot to do this actually with the Z tool. I'm just gonna, maybe let's do like this quicker. Let's get this point, get rid of it, and Z tool with this menu, we change the length. So we're just gonna do like 33 here. We're gonna, and we want the suppression in both sides, you know, so make sure you get both here. So it takes a bit off from both sides. Okay, maybe we can go another centimeter. So just select this, and it's gonna be 32, and still in both. Okay, so that's the sleeve ready. And in the next video, which we're gonna link at the end of this video, we're gonna stitch this t-shirt together, make the collar and maybe a hem band, and see how it looks. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.